Here I have XIAOMI Pad 5, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, select press and hold shutter button, and here select burst shot. And now to take a burst shot you just have to hold down power button, shutter button, and after that it will take a burst shot. So as you can see, I took, I guess, 40 something shots right now. Yeah, like 45 shots. And here they are. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.